Ma'am, magkano yung TCP natin for Parker Model in Portico Hills, which is one of our best-selling project right now kasi complete finish na ang turnover, kasama ang fence and gate, and napakaganda ng location. So, to answer this question, our Parker Model is 3.6 million pesos only, and yes, all-inclusive na po yan, kasama yung title transfer cost, processing fee, and even the moving fee. So basically, wala ka nang iisipin upon turnover at lilipatan mo na lang to. Yung free natin na moving fee is for the current inventory or current batch na for sale. So wag ka na magpahuli para makahabol ka pa sa promo natin. And if you're wondering kung magkano yung monthly ni Parker Model, flash ko dito yung sample competition, and this is available only through bank financing, specifically RCBC, and our estimated monthly amortization, considering you're gonna go for maximum of 30 years to pay, is at 26,000 a month. Only required income naman ay pumapatak ng 70 to 73,000. And yes, pwede ka mag-co-borrower to meet the required income. Ang kagandahan dito, ang down payment natin, may option ka na 6 or 12 months to pay, wherein kung 12 months to pay, 13,000 a month lang. And since maiksi lang ang DP term natin, mabilis mo lang itong malilipatan. So, kung naghahanap ka ng unit or property or project na mabilis mo lang malilipatan, baka si Parker Model na ang para sa'yo. So, paano? See you sa Tripping with Shine. And if may question pa kayo, please do comment it down para naman ma-assist kayo ng team natin for a free and exclusive house viewing as well. See you soon at paalam!